When you pair Druck 4Sight2 calibration management software with the new DPI610E portable pressure calibrator, you can achieve a totally paperless calibration solution in just 30 minutes. In 5 short steps, I will show you how to optimize and automate your calibration process. As you can see, I have 4Sight2 downloaded and installed on my device. This is already paired with our DPI610E pressure calibrator. The first step is to log in as an administrator. To create a plant, click Assets, Asset Management, and enter your details. Similarly, create a location and a tag. You can increase the number of tags on your 4Sight2 license with our flexible license offering. Now you have your tag. Go to System Management and enter the manufacturer and model of your unit. As you can see, I have our Druck Unique 5000 pressure sensor and have filled it in. Now go to the Reports option and enter the details. For this example, I have added company details for Druck. After this, you need to set your global policy option. I have selected Technician only. You now need to add your DUT parameters. Go to Assets, Asset Management, select Enterprise, Plant, and Tag. Fill in the fields based on your application, creating a device, a range, a routine, and a procedure. As you can see here, I have created Unique 5000 10 bar gauge pressure sensor. Once the parameters have been added, you need to allocate a technician. Go to Resources option, click User, and click Add New User. You can then create a new user with technician group access. Go to Assets, select the task, select an approver and technician from the drop-down list and assign the task as shown here. Once assigned, sign out. If you don't see the task in the list, follow step 3 again and ensure a range is created. Log in as a technician and go to Work List found in the top right-hand corner. Then select a task from your list. I am choosing the Unique 5000 sensor that we just created. I will select Portable Calibration option to send the tasks to the DPI610E. Once the task has been selected, connect your device to the computer via the USB cable and turn on communications mode. Once connected, click Get Connected Test Equipment and select the test equipment from the list. Create your portable device as a new test equipment and click Continue. Click Send to Test Equipment and the test will be downloaded to the calibrator. Let's run the test on the DPI610E. Click Documenting, Remote Procedures, and you should see the task that we have just downloaded. Put on your safety goggles and we will test at 2 points. Save the readings and exit from the procedure. Go to 4Sight2, click Receive from Test Equipment. Once the data is received, click Close, click Review, select the task and complete the calibration workflow. To generate a PDF, go to Assets, click Range and click Generate Report. Thanks for watching. Visit our website to find out more.